Good morning, everyone. Today I want to speak about love, not just the romantic kind, but the kind that breathes life into everything around us. Love is not something that appears once and disappears. Love behaves more like nature's recycling process in nature. Nothing is ever truly wasted. A fallen leaf decomposes, becomes soil, feeds a tree, and the tree gives fruit and oxygen back to the world. In the same way, love transforms. Even when love seems broken, it doesn't vanish, it changes form, teaching us, strengthening us, and preparing us to love again. Biologically, love is deeply wired into us. Our bodies release oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin, chemicals that bond us, calm us, and make us feel connected. These same biological systems evolved to protect families, communities, and survival itself. Love is not just emotional, it is cellular memory, passed from generation to generation like a recycled gift of life. Just as recycling keeps the earth alive by reducing harm and restoring balance, love keeps humanity alive. When love is reused through forgiveness, care, and compassion, it reduces emotional waste like hatred, loneliness, and fear. Love, when recycled, becomes empathy. Empathy becomes understanding. Understanding becomes peace. In biology, every cell is born from another cell. Life continues because of connection. Similarly, love grows because it is shared. When we give love, it multiplies, just like energy in an ecosystem. When we withhold it, systems collapse, whether they are relationships, societies, or even the planet itself. Love also teaches responsibility. Loving the earth means recycling. Loving people means listening. Loving ourselves means healing. These are not separate ideas, they are interconnected systems, just like the biological web of life. In conclusion, love is not fragile. It is renewable like nature's recycling system and biology's chain of life. Love is designed to continue, adapt, and evolve. When we choose to love consciously, we become part of a cycle that sustains not only ourselves, but the world.